Here's what a well-done bounce effect looks like in Premiere Pro. And today, I'm going to show you how to create that effect directly in Premiere Pro in under 30 seconds with Smoothify. The native way to do it? You manually drag Bezier handles one by one inside the velocity editor. And honestly, it's slow, it's imprecise, and it never looks right on the first try. First, you'll need Blinkle.io, the command bar extension that gives you Smoothify for free. So if you haven't installed it yet, link is in the description. Alright, now that you've got it installed, start by creating your two keyframes, an in and an out, in the effect controls under scale. For example, I'll set 0 for the start and 50 for the end. Then place your playhead between those two keyframes. This is important, otherwise Smoothify won't detect them. Open Blinkle with Command+K or your custom hotkey. Type Smoothify. Select Use Preset. Hit Enter. You're now inside the preset library. Find the Elastic Out preset. Hit Enter. One click, and just like that, you've got your ultra smooth bounce animation. Bonus, if you now want to create an out animation at the end of your clip, just repeat the same process and select the Elastic In preset instead. You can also fine-tune the intensity directly in the curve editor. Install Blinkle for free. Smoothify is included and it makes your animation workflow twice as fast. Link in the description.